This is video 4 for week 6. So now I want you to pause the video as I go through the next slides and look at each of the images and think about which image, it's a vacation image, appeals to you the most. Which activity or place appeals to you the most if you could go on a vacation? So this, and again, pause the video and take a look at them. Okay, and what I want you to do is I want you to tell me which one you chose, or tell yourself, and think about why you chose the image that you did. Okay, what was it? Was it the nature that appealed to you? Was it the number of people? Was it thinking about that you would travel there by car or plane? Why did you choose the image that you did? Okay, and sometimes the reason we choose, because we could all maybe have fun skiing or we could all have fun walking through the forest, but sometimes the reasons that we choose our vacations or choose to do things are related to our level of introversion or extroversion. So read these slides to learn a little bit more about extroverts and what it means to be extroverted and some traits, and introverted. And decide maybe if you are extroverted or introverted, and everybody's somewhere on a spectrum, so decide where you fall. And then read these colors. Read this information because I want you to decide what color you are. And before you can decide what color you are, you might want to think about if you're extroverted or introverted, especially if you have two colors that are fairly close together. Okay, so by the end of this, you should be able to decide which color you are.